Barwon Health are looking to expand some ward areas, and we are looking to expand our pool staff, our permanent part-time staff, that we can send to many different areas within the hospital to deliver high quality patient care. The resource unit pool is currently looking to expand in areas where we would employ registered nurses, enrolled nurses, midwives, any specialty nurses, ward clerks and patient support staff such as PSAs. It would be a really good introduction to Barwon Health if you've never worked here before, because you get to experience working in lots of different areas. We have general medical, general surgical wards, we have critical care areas such as CCU and ICU, we have midwifery services, we have paediatrics, outpatient operating services and theatre staff required, the Keller Centre, which is inpatient rehab and aged care. We also have a new ward opening up soon. It will be a dedicated neurology ward. Being exposed to the various areas that we offer here gives you a good understanding of how the hospital works as a whole. It also gives you the experience of knowing which areas you might want to stay in and possibly even get permanent jobs in. Some of the other benefits you could highlight would be that our casual pool allows you the flexibility to manage your own work-life balance. We have a city that's reasonably busy and offers most things that most cities offer, but it's also close to the coast, it's close to the beach for holidays for kids. Traffic's less than it is in Melbourne, it's easier to get around, it's very easy to get to work. All of the things that a busy city like Melbourne can't offer, Geelong can.